What's going on, guys? RV here, and today we're here to talk about the Yamaha Power Tuner app. The Power Tuner is a big reason why YZ 4-stroke set the industry benchmark. Your ability to tune this bike is unmatched. It's super simple and it's free. I wish I would have had this when I was first racing. Back in the day, this level of tuning required a factory crew and a contract. It's like having a factory pit crew in your pocket. For instance, say you're losing traction or having trouble getting the rear tire to hook up coming onto the straight. You can simply smooth out the power delivery and see if that helps. It's a fact, smooth is fast. In addition to the intuitive simple tuning slide bar, you can use the Power Tuner app to make precise adjustments to the air-fuel mixture and ignition timing, tailoring engine performance to track conditions and preference. Then when you find settings that work, you can create and load 2 custom maps to your bike at once. Switchable on the fly, all at the push of a button. That means you can smooth out the power in that low traction straight and switch to a more aggressive delivery for a loamy high traction section and really let it rip. Or say you want maximum performance for the start and early sprint laps. Then smooth engine character in the closing laps to conserve energy. You can have both, all at the push of a button. The Yamaha Power Tuner app also includes 4-level traction control with low, high, extra high, and off settings to dial up the right level of intervention for varying conditions. Then there's adjustable launch control, which works in conjunction with the traction control to cap engine RPMs and help you consistently nail those starts. And if you're feeling lost trying to get started with engine and suspension tuning, the Power Tuner app has you covered as well. There's informative tuning guides including tips and tricks on engine tuning and a guide to suspension setup developed by KYB to address a wide range of different scenarios. It really simplifies the tuning process. Beyond that, the Power Tuner app is also a convenient data logging device with push-button lap timer, a race log for recording race info like bike setups, conditions, and results. And also includes a maintenance log that tracks run times, diagnostic codes, and other data with programmable reminders. And the best part? This game-changing tool is 100% free. Just download the app on your iPhone or your Android and it's ready to connect. So get out there, burn some laps, and get tuning.